Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our Wooden Countertop Baskets Set of 2, the perfect solution for decluttering and organizing your space with style and functionality. These cuboid-shaped wooden baskets are designed to keep everything neatly organized, whether you're looking to store small-sized effects in your kitchen, bathroom, or pantry. With their great versatility, these baskets can hold just about anything you have in mind, from bottles and cans to toiletries and personal items. And they even work wonders for keeping your fruits and vegetables fresh, thanks to the sturdy wire mesh on both sides that allows for optimal airflow. Expertly crafted from natural, premium quality oak wood, these baskets are not only solid and durable but also feature convenient handles for easy moving and rearrangement. Plus, they add a charming rustic ambiance to any room, enhancing the decor of your office, kitchen, living room, or bathroom. So, if you're ready to cut down on counter clutter and add a touch of rustic elegance to your home, these multifunctional wooden crates are just what you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.